Welcome back, Fusion Fam. You know what time it is. Fast Food Friday. And today we are bringing the heat with the sweet and a jerk turkey burger topped with a refreshing mango slaw. Juicy, spicy, and bursting with flavors. Let's get cooking. Okay, so here we're going to be making the slaw so we could put it away in the refrigerator to get cooled while we prepare our burger. We have some shredded cabbage, green cabbage, shredded red cabbage, some diced mango. Of course, recipe and instructions will be in the description box. We have some cilantro. You can use some parsley if you like. Here we have some thinly sliced red onions, a little bit of lime juice. Yep, that's gonna give you that twang or tang, and of course a little bit of honey for that added sweetness to offset that twang. Okay, and then we're going to add a pinch of salt to your liking, not too much now, and a sprinkle of black pepper. Now this is chef's kiss, this mango slaw. I mean, if you're a mango lover, I am absolutely a mango lover, and anything I can get mango in, it will be in it, okay? Especially when it's mango season. So let's get it. Refreshing salad without the mayo, of course, but it's flavorful, just super delicious. Now all we gotta do is just mix it together, incorporate everything, let all the flavors marry each other beautifully. Stir it up, toss it around, incorporate, and that's how we're gonna do it. Okay, look at those colors: bright purple, beautiful light green, yellow, bright green, just all that color. It is just popping. It will make your burger pop. You know, I love eating with my eyes. So for me, food has to look tasty. It has to look beautiful, aesthetically pleasing to my eyes. Look at that. Now we're just gonna put that away in the refrigerator and let it sit while we prepare our ground turkey. Here we go with our ground turkey. I cleaned my meat. Don't stress me now. I clean meat, and we're gonna season with some jerk seasoning. I have the wet season from Walker's Wood Spicy. We have some Worcestershire, and I have grated onion. We're just gonna mix it all together. We're gonna put some seasoning: black pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, allspice, smoked paprika, cumin, and then I'm not gonna use egg as a binder. I didn't use egg as my binder. I used just the breadcrumb, not the breadcrumb, actually it's the breadcrumb, the panko breadcrumb. Here we go, finished burgers formed. Now we're going to get to cooking the burger. Okay, just a spritz of oil in your air fryer. If you're using your stovetop, that's fine too. Just a spritz of oil, then you fry on each side, of course, until it gets to the desired inner temperature. All the instruction will be in the description box. But as for me, I am going to be using my air fryer, my handy dandy air fryer, because quick and easy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my my 2 patties in. I made 3 patties out of my about a half a pound ground turkey. Get you a better view in there. And we're gonna hold 2 patties. I'm only making 2 because I only need 2. So I'm gonna put the other one that I made in the the freezer, so next time I need a burger, it will be there. Now we're gonna get that going. Half mark, I'm gonna flip it. When it gets to the half mark, I'll flip the burgers so the other side can get cooking. And here we go. We're at the half mark of the timer, and I'm just gonna do a flip. Beautiful burgers, huh? Look at that. Nice size, crisp on the outside, juicy on the inside. That's how I like it. Crispy, juicy burgers. Here we go. All done. Now I want to add my cheese while it's still in the air fryer, just for a little bit. So we're gonna use the smoked Gouda. Use whatever cheese of your liking. I like a little spice, so spice all through is good for me. I would have used pepper jack if I had that, because I also love a good piece of pepper jack because it's spicy. So we're gonna put that just for a minute, let it close over it a little bit. Melted, not too melted. And then we're going to toast up our buns. Here we go. My beautiful homemade spinach brioche buns that I made. I'm gonna link the recipe for that. And I also made this Scotch bonnet mayonnaise. Ha! So good, so good. I'm going to also put the ingredient for that for you. And voila. There it is, our homemade jerk burger with mango slaw, packed with bold flavors and fresh crunch. And I added a side of plantains, because I do love me some plantains. No drive-thru needed for this one. Let me know in the comments if you would try this. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and please come again next Friday, because you already know we're gonna be cooking up something hot, spicy, sweet, flavorful, delicious. Toodles!